Now I'm going to show you how to inject the mapper implementation into our usage class. Either it could be test case or the actual class. Let me go to the app test.java and let me write a new test case. Generate for test case, and here I'm going to check. Let me call it as a simple one, IMPL object test. So here, as part of the test, I'm going to create an object for the sample mapper. It's called as a mapper and it's equal to null as of now. Let's finish the test case. After that, we will initialize the mapper implementation as an object. As that, not null. Here I don't want to be null. So mapper. Now if I run it, it will get failed, which is expected. Let me run the test case. Good, it has been failed. Now, as part of the creating the object for the implementation, there are two ways. One, using the standard way by using new keyword, which means new sample mapper IMPL, which is an implementation class which was created from the annotation processor. Let's save it and rerun the test case. Yes, now it has been completely success. It is another way of creating mapper implementation object. Let me create another test case. IMPL object. This is called injection. So let's call it as inject text. So exactly the same. Let's create a mapper object. It is a null initially. Let me finish the test case. Set not null mapper. Now if I run it, it will get failed. So now how can I create an object for the mapper? Let's initialize the mapper object with actual implementation using injection. So let's go to the mappers. Factory will have the get mapper and where you need to give the sample mapper. Either it could be interface or object. So now let me rerun the test case. So here I'm rerunning all the test cases, right click and run. Now if we see it, all the test has been passed. That means the object has been initialized using the sample mapper implementation at the runtime. So we have two ways of initializing the sample mapper object, which is standard way of using new keyword and creating an object, or we can use the mappers get mapper, which will be creating an object